Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Revid.ai for real estate videos. So Revid.ai is an excellent tool for creating and repurposing real estate videos. Here's how you can use it effectively. So first of all, you can go ahead and upload your footage by clicking create new videos, and then click right here add caption to a video, and that allows you to add a video or footage of your video, and make sure that you add a clip of your real estate videos, right? Like make sure that you add the footage, and basically after you click add a custom file to from your file, right? And then drag it or basically place it right in your audio file, and that will generate the video to add a caption by itself. Like Revid.ai will generate the video, and then you gotta find your videos generated in the videos section right here. Go ahead and open up your project, right? Your real estate project, and you want to add basically a media or anything, you can be able to add it. Don't worry about the captions, it's already there, so you don't need to add another captions, except if you found some mistakes in the captions. You can just go ahead and click the captions inside the video, right here. I zoomed it in, and just say like the correct words, right? And then click the screen to apply the settings. And if you want to extend that part of the video, you can just go ahead and click the frames, and then click the seconds right here, uncheck mark the lock so you can have the liberty to change it, and then just set it for, let's say 1.5, and that will apply the settings. As you can see, you will see it's 1.5 seconds, right? And if you want to add overlay like another footage or anything, you can just go into your media right here and click add new media, so you can add a stock videos, or you can generate images from Revid.ai. It depends on your it depends on your description, and go to the generate videos, and same, you can generate from a prompt, or you can add your own video to support your real estate videos, okay? Or you can add from your stock images by typing real estate, for example, real estate, right? You're gonna be able to find some stock footage of that, of your real estate, and you can add it already, or you can, as we said before, generate by clicking add new media, or right here you can choose from your account media to add footage of your video or photo for your real estate, or generate video from a prompt, or generate images from a prompt. Okay, so let's put out the comments if this video helped you, and basically if you're finished, let's make sure that the size is 9:16. Make sure that the size kept that way. So if you want to share it to social media, click export at the top right if you finish, if you're satisfied with the settings, and distribute. All right, so let's put in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.